once that's in and everything's plugged in, you're ready to go. Remember, before putting together and starting this, make sure the power is off. You don't want to be screwing anything in or using tools when there's a current going through this machine. See, here are the two speakers. For another speaker, I'm sorry. This one and this one are for the bottom, and this one is for the top. Yep, these are for the top. This one's for the bottom. This one's for the bottom. And they have an awfully placed black back one for the sub, or the woofer. Right there. I'm sorry. Top one. Top one. Bottom one. Bottom left. Bottom right. Top right. Woofer. So anything after the 3 you put in, it will start giving you up to 50 credits. Alright. Cool. Alright, please let me know if you have any questions. I'm able to be reached at iMessage or by email, on Gmail or eBay. Thank you for your time and thank you for your purchase.